Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on Honor 90 Lite. And to do this, you will need to open your Google Chrome, then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Inside, select Password Manager and make sure that the Save Passwords is on. Now we can go back. Open any website that you want to save the credentials for. In this case, I'm gonna go for the Facebook. And when we click on Login, we should see this pop-up Save Password. Click on the Save, then move back to the Password Manager. And here on the bottom we can find our Facebook and credentials for it. You can click on this I button, and when you have a lock screen set on your device, you'll be able to preview it. There's also an option to edit the password as well as the username. When you're satisfied, click on Done. And when you want to delete it, simply click on this bin button in the top right corner of the screen and delete the password, just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.